Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up for Hinge using your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store. Once you're on your home page, tap the search at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type in Hinge dating app. Find the Hinge app and tap Get to download it. Once installed, tap the Hinge icon on your home screen to open the app. Hinge gives you few ways to sign up: phone number, Apple ID, Facebook account. Tap your preferred method and follow the prompt. If you use the phone number, Hinge will send a verification code through SMS. Enter the code to verify your account. Add your first name, birthday and gender. Upload photos you want to share. Fill in prompts and details about yourself to make your profile interesting. Hinge may ask for location access to show matches nearby. Tap allow for the best experience. Once your account is set up, you can start swiping, liking and commenting on profiles to find matches. And that's it. Now you know how to sign up for Hinge on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.